Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Xbox One to Roku. Let's go. Connect the Xbox One to your Roku TV via HDMI. Open Settings, TV Inputs. Choose your Xbox One HDMI input. After that, your Xbox One input will be added to the home screen. To start using Xbox One, select your Xbox HDMI input on the home screen. That's it. Now you know how to connect Xbox One to Roku. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.